In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly make an attendance tracker here in Google Sheets. This attendance tracker will count how many days that person has been to your class if you have some students, or if you have employees, they will count how many days they've come to work and will have all the total days at the end of each row. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to start with this sample sheet right here. Let's say you've already input your data, your employee's name, and the days of the week. Let's say you have a business that runs from Monday to Sunday, but your employees only come in 5 times a week. So they have different shifts to cover all 7 days. Now that we have our raw data, what we're going to do is to select this range right here. There we go. And then go to Format and select Convert to Table. And there you have it. So it's similar to what we have right here. We're just going to have some formatting to do, like rename this to the name of your company. Then we have our days of the week, which we will turn into checkboxes. So the way to do that is to just edit the column type right here and select checkbox. And we're going to do the same with the rest of our columns. And there we have it. I'm just going to adjust some of these cells. And there we go. So we have the name of our employees, the days of the week where they can come in to work. And here in the last column, this is where we're going to put our formula, which will be counting how many days that have been checked in this row right here. So the function that we're going to be using is a COUNTIF function. Now the COUNTIF function counts the values that meet the criteria that you put into your formula. So let's start with our equal sign. Type in count, select COUNTIF, and here is our formula. So our range would be this row right here, which will be the days of the week that those employees will be coming in, comma, and the criterion would be if the value is true. Because when you check on a checkbox, the value becomes true. If it's unchecked, then it's false. So let's just type in true and closing parentheses, press enter. Now we have our suggested autofill, which we will be accepting by clicking on this check mark. So right now there are 0 days because none of these checkboxes are ticked. So let's try and do, so if I check on this one, let's say this employee entered Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There you have it. It has counted a total of 5 days, which is the 5 checkboxes right here. For this employee, let's say he only entered for 4 days, and it will tell you again the total at the end of your row. And there you have it. That's a simple but quick way to make an attendance tracker here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.